Today in this video we are going to study about K-map, about Carnot map. So how a Carnot map is constructed and how the Boolean expressions are simplified with the help of K-map. So basically Carnot map is a technique which provides a systematic method for simplifying and manipulating the Boolean expressions. And for the after this simplification and manipulating the Boolean expression, the function we get is in mean term or max term, so that we can easily construct the circuit, and the circuit the function which we get on the basis of that particular function. The circuit which is developed is in two levels, that is that SOP or POS form, that means AND or AND form. So the circuit is simple, not very much complex, and the number minimization of gates are possible with the help of this technique. So basically, what is Carnot map? To understand Carnot map, Carnot map is basically a group of cell in two dimension, like this. ये एक मैट्रिक्स है, सिंपली कह सकते हैं, जिसमें कि सेल्स होते हैं और ये सेल्स डिपेंड करते हैं. These cells depends on the number of variables. So if we have two variables, that means we have A and B, then the number of cells is 2 to the power 2, that means 4 cells. If we have 3 variable, then the number of cell is 8 cells. And if we have 4 variable, the number of cells is 16. Carnot map basically used up to 5 variables. Carnot map is used for 6 variable also, but that is very much complex, and after that Carnot map not being used because the complexity increases very much. So Carnot map is used for 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable and 5 variable. 6 variable is very much rare. So we are going to study in this video about the 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable Carnot maps. So what is Carnot map and what is the structure of the cell? Here I am defining the structure of cell. So when we talk about 2 variable Carnot map, so basically this is 2 variable Carnot map. The Carnot map is constructed likewise this. This is 4 cell and the column is for A and the rows for B. 0, 1, 0, 1. So here AB, AB, AB and AB. Now in this column the value of A is 0, that means not A naught. In this row the value of B is 0. In this column value of A is 0, but in this row the value of B is 1, that means only B. In this column the value of A is 1, so leave it. The value of B is 0, and if you see here, this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, this is 1, 0 and this is 1, 1. When this thing we write in decimal form, that means it is the cell value is 0, this cell value is 1, this cell value is 2 and this cell value is 3. So as we know, the function written in main term is y equals to summation m 0 3. That means this 0 3 means this cell and this cell. When we see the three variable Carnot map, the structure of the column is for A and B and the row is for C, three variable. So first of all, here we write here 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. But for the conveniency in K-map, we replace these two values with this one 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Now when you see this K-map cells value, that means 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. That means this is A B C. Each and every cell has the value of all the three variables. Here we A B C A B C A B C. Now what is the value of that particular cell? So for this cell, the value of this cell is A is 0, B is 1 and C is 0. A is 0, B is 1 and C is 0. For this cell, A is 1, B is, this is A, this is B. A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1. For this cell, A is 1, B is 1 and C is 1. So this one. Likewise this, in this cell, A is 0, B is 1, C is 1. Here A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0. This cell A is 1, B is 0 and C is 0. So when you write this thing in Boolean binaries, that means this is 0 1 0, this is 0 1 1, this is 1 1 0, this is 1 1 1, this is 1 0 0, this is 1 0 1. So when you write this thing is decimal, so the cell value of this in decimal is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So this is, now leave this, come to this, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and this is 7. So if there is a function written like this, y equals to summation m 3 6 and 7, that means this is talking about this cell and this cell. When we talk about the 4 variable K-map, so this is 4 variable K-map, and as we have 4 variable, that means 2 to the power 4, that means we have 16 cells. Every cell correspond to every variable. So for column this is AB, for row this is CD. Likewise 0 0 0 1, again 1 1 1 0. Interchange these values. Here likewise this 0 0 0 1, again 1 1 1 0. For the value we write here, this one is 0 0 0 0, this one is 0 0 0 1, this is 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1, again 0 0 0 0 1 0, this one is 0 1 0 0, this one is 0 1 0 1, this one is 0 1 1 1, this one is 0 1 1 0, 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1, and here 1 1 1 0. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. If we give the decimal value of each cell, that means it is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, because here we interchange the row. Now here 3 4 5, this is 6, and this one is 7, because for this. Now 6 7, leave this cell. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. In max term or min term, this is A naught, B naught, C naught, D naught. This is A, B, C naught, D. This is A, B naught, C naught, D naught. How we get this? A, this is the value of A, B, C, D. All are 0. That means this is not gate. So here all the cells we are all the key maps of 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable. Here we represent in mean terms, not in max term. So for this cell A naught, B, C naught, and D. For this cell A naught, B, C naught, D naught. So likewise this you can define the each and every cell in K map. So again, one thing keep in mind, when we use SOP, each and every mean term present in the equation, we write a 0 in that particular cell. Let's suppose if we have equation 1 3 5 6. So this is equation. First of all, you have to decide how many variables present in this equation. So the maximum value is what? 6. And if we use 2 variables, the maximum value is 3. If we going to use 2 variable, the maximum value is max decimal value is 3. When the number of variables is 3, the maximum decimal value we get 7. When we use 4 variable, the maximum value we get 15, and when we use 5 variable we get 31. So first of all, you have to see what is the maximum value of the number decimal value in the equation. So here the maximum value is what? 6. That means we are going to construct 3 variable K map. If the function like this, so what is the maximum value? 10. So if we going to use 3 variable K map, the maximum value is 7. So here is again here there is a value is 10. So we need a 4 variable K map for this one. So here we just constructing the K map for this equation. So this is a 3 variable K map. 3 variable K map. So this is for AB and this is for C. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is 0. This is 1. Why there is only 0 1? Because there is only one variable C. Here is two variables because this is for A, this is for B. Now the value of cells, ये आपको धीरे धीरे आप जब ये काम करते जाओगे आपको ये सेल्स के वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिकली याद होते जाएंगे. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. अब what we need to do, for every corresponding number we place a 0 in corresponding cell. That means if there is 1 in equation, so for this one we put a 1 in that corresponding cell. Then for 1, which cell is 1? This one. This for 3, this one. 5, this one. 7, this one. So again, if there is number 0, 3, 6, 7, so we put 0 for 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1. तो आपको कुछ इस तरीके से हर एक करस्पॉन्डिंग सेल में 1 पुट करना है. अगर ये इक्वेशन मीन टर्म का है तो वो कैसे पता चलेगा? यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है समेशन एंड स्मॉल m, दैट मींस इट इज इन एसओपी फॉर्म, मीन टर्म. और अगर यही इक्वेशन अगर मैक्स टर्म में होता तब इसके लिए आपको 1 नहीं पुट करना था. क्या पुट करना था? 0. जस्ट रिवर्स, जहां 1 पुट कर रहा है वहां 0 पुट करना है. सो करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू क्या है? 0, 3, 6, 7. Then 0 for cell 0, there is 0, 3, 6, 1. This is in POS term. When the term is POS. For mean term, it is 1. For max term, it is 0. So, how we put 0 or 1 corresponding cell? Now, taking a 2 variable Karnaugh map as an example. So here we are going to construct a half subtractor. For half subtractor, first of all we have to write the truth table. So how we get the truth table? हमें यहाँ ये देखना होता है कि जी करस्पॉन्डिंग 2 डिजिट को यानी 2 बाइनरी डिजिट को जब आपस में सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा. ये सिंपल अप्रोच है. तो दिस इज ए बी एंड डिफरेंस एंड बोरो. जीरो जीरो, 0 को 0 में घटाया गया, डिफरेंस भी 0, बोरो भी 0. 0 को 1 में घटाया गया, इसको रहने देते हैं. नेक्स्ट 0 को 1 में घटाया जा रहा है, मतलब b को a में, दैट मीन्स 1 माइनस 0, दैट मीन्स वी गेट डिफरेंस 1. बोरो हुआ नहीं. 1 को 1 में घटाया गया, दैट मीन्स ये भी 0, ये भी 0. लेकिन जब बात करें 0 को 1 में घटाया जा रहा है तो क्या करना होगा? हमें एक बोरो लेना पड़ेगा. वी टेक अ बोरो. अब 1 0 में 1 गया, क्या बचेगा? 1, बिकॉज 1 1 व्हाट 1 0. फिर वापस इसमें 1 ले लो तो क्या मिलेगा? 1 ही मिलेगा. सो इफ वी subtract 1 in 0, the difference is 0 and the borrow is 0. Now this is our input and this is our output. We need to construct circuit for these two, for difference and for borrow. So we have to construct K map of how many variables? So we have only two inputs, A and B. So we need two variable Carnot map. Here A, B, correspondingly आपको क्या करना है, हर सेल का वैल्यू डालना है, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. This is 0 1 0 1. Now अब आप देखो मैं ये डिफरेंस के लिए बना रहा हूं. फॉर डिफरेंस, फॉर दिस वन, ये वाले के लिए जब 0 0 है तो हमें जहां पे आउटपुट मिला है उसी की बात करेंगे. तो 0 0 पे आउटपुट क्या था, 0, लीव इट. 0 1 पे आउटपुट क्या था, 1. 1 0 पे आउटपुट क्या था, 1. 1 1 पे आउटपुट क्या था, 0, लीव इट. 4 borrow, this is for borrow. This is A, B, 0 1 0 1. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. How we get this one, 1 1 0 1. ठीक है. Now for this one, borrow, there is only a 1 where A is 0 and B is 1. A is 0 and B is 1. अब corresponding terms अगर आप देखो, mean terms, so this is what, A naught B plus this is what, A B naught, and this is only this one here, A naught B. Simple. So we get the mean term from this one. So हाफ स्ट्रक्चर तो ऑलरेडी मैं बता चुका हूं आपको. तो प्रॉब्लम थी कि ये कैसे आ रहा है, ये मैंने कैसे लिखा था. तो के मैप को समझने के बाद आपको ये बातें समझ में आ रही थी कि इसको मैंने कैसे लिखा था. इन वेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग फुल सबस्ट्रैक्टर को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे और ये समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि किस तरीके से एक के मैप को यूज करके 3 वेरिएबल के मैप को सिंप्लीफाई किया जाता है और उससे फिर सर्किट डायग्राम कैसे बनता है. थैंक यू.